Hi, this is Extend Office. Have you ever needed to temporarily show all hidden worksheets to check or edit the data they contain, and then quickly hide them again? With Excel's built-in method, you can right-click any visible sheet tab and select Unhide. In the Unhide dialog box, select all the hidden worksheets, and click OK. This lets you quickly unhide all the worksheets at once. However, to hide them again, you need to remember which worksheets were originally hidden and select them manually. In this video, I'll show you how Kutools for Excel lets you display all hidden worksheets and then toggle them back to hidden with the same command. After installing Kutools for Excel, go to the Kutools tab. Click View. Then select Temporarily Show Hidden Worksheets option. All hidden worksheets in the current workbook are temporarily displayed. When you finish checking or editing the worksheets, click the option again. The worksheets return to hidden, so you do not need to hide them individually. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Excel tips. See you next time.